The comet throughout Atlas is accelerating. Data came out between October 31st to November 4th. And Avi Loeb just stated that and published it, that this thing is accelerating 94 kilometers a day. That's roughly about 58 miles a day. That's roughly 2.4 miles per hour increase. And he talks about how that the loss in mass with the resulting of spewing of gases is resulting in an acceleration scenario. That's what his conclusions are on this. They keep the current trajectory. But you guys gotta understand is that initially from this video over here, I talked about how they were initially right in July about the mass, and then that this thing has always been accelerating from its birth. That's why when we found it in 118,000 miles to current miles per hour now, it's 137 miles per hour now, is that this thing is always have accelerated. So what does that say? That tells us that if this thing continues acceleration and we calculate basically its birth, 58 miles per hour, current miles is 137,000 miles. The thing is roughly about 6.5 years old, which is pretty wild, pretty young in big scheme of things. Now, assuming that it didn't come off of an explosion to give its initial speed to, I don't know, 1,000 miles per hour, we're talking about give or take about a year. I don't know, but it's pretty wild. I mean, everything all considered, right? So yeah, I was right, dude. It continues to go. He does speculate in the paperwork that he does suggest that since there's a lack of pluming or gas or material coming out a tail, that this thing could actually be artificial craft. That's why it lacks a tail. And we're waiting on that right now to see if the aspects of this thing breaking up or whatever resulting in more gases coming out, that we're going to see some type of tail, but that's only speculative right now. But yeah, this thing has currently accelerated. It's been accelerating. That's what I've been saying. So, bro, I was right. Woo! Shit.